GoHighLevel just released AI super agents, and it completely changes the way automation works. Instead of building dozens of workflows, you can just give an AI super agent one goal, okay, and it will go do all of the work for you in one place. So in this video, I'm gonna explain exactly how this new feature works, show you how to build an AI super agent from scratch, and show you real examples so you can start using this feature today. Let's jump right in. All right, we're just gonna jump right in, not waste any of your time. If you want super agents enabled inside of your HighLevel account, you need to do it in Labs. So come into your HighLevel dashboard just like this, click Settings, scroll all the way down till you see this right here, Labs, and go all the way down till you see this right here. You can even type it in up there, and we're gonna click on. Okay, that's all you got to do. Then we're going to come back. We're going to come to AI agents. We're going to come to Agent Studio, and boom, voila, there it is, super agents. All right, so now it's time to actually go over what these are and how to build them. So before we go through and we build these AI agents, which I'm about to show you, I first need to explain what these are so you understand why this is so powerful. By the way, if you have any questions during this video at any time, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So what is an AI super agent and why is it important? So an AI super agent inside of HighLevel is an AI agent that does a lot of the work for you, okay? The best way to describe this is it's the Ask AI feature plus the AI agents combined. So if you see my other tutorials, that's really what this is. And as you see here, you ask it to do any of these things, even more, which I'm going to show you in a sec, and it can do all of it. It is like very powerful. So unlike regular Ask AI where it's only doing, let's say, building you an AI agent, building you a calendar, or the AI agents where it only talks to people, it's combining them. So it can also, okay, build out things and talk to them. It is like a super AI chatbot. That is what these are, but they can do tasks as well. It is kind of the future of HighLevel, and they're really the most powerful thing. Quick note though, while you're going through this, it is a bit buggy right now. So sometimes you get really good AI agents that come out. Sometimes they're not so good. So that is the quick disclaimer because, you know, with HighLevel's new features, they sometimes do that. But overall, this is going to be the most powerful feature. So let's go into it. All right, so first things first, let us create the AI agent. So you come right up here and you click Create Agent. So on both of these left and right hand sides, you have some options. Okay, so first off, you have a couple things that you can just build from scratch, but you can also type or talk whatever you want in this box, just like the other AI features inside of HighLevel, and it will build it for you. I'll show you in a sec, but it can really do anything like that. Then over here, you can start from a use case. So as you see right here, you can do a knowledge base assistant. This is just going to pull from a knowledge base inside of HighLevel, answer questions. It literally says right here, support and FAQs. You can have a community moderator. So like for my community, I could technically come inside of here, okay, and have this moderator go and do stuff. I personally don't use it because I have humans that do all of my moderating for me, and I like it that way, but you can absolutely use that. Email campaigns, if you want to go through and build out email campaigns and send them, it can do that. Then social media posting. So you are seeing right now how it is like the Ask AI plus an AI chatbot merged into one. So these are just some use cases that you can pick quickly, and they go through all of that. Same with over here. It's just like a quick builder guide. And then right up here, you see recent agents. This is just going to show you the amount of agents that are recent that you have built. So first things first, we're going to test this out by clicking one of these to show you how this works. As you understand what these AI agents are and how they're powerful, let me go more into building these and editing these. And don't worry, guys, I have a ton of videos coming out on this, so we're going to walk you through all of it. So this says, build me an agent that follows up with leads who haven't replied in 3 days. So we're going to click this, okay, and it's going to come through and it's going to build it for us. All right, so here it is. It's a built lead follow-up. It's a scheduled CRM agent that checks for leads daily that have not replied and sends a smart follow-up and basically goes through every morning at 9 a.m. So basically what it's doing is it's following up with leads in the CRM. This is interesting because it's not like a regular pipeline or regular AI agent. It's actually going through updating and messaging. It's like a hybrid agent as you see here. So that's what this is. But now this is really important for me to show you how it works because once you build something inside of the AI Super Agent tab, it'll show right here. You can edit it right here, but then it's going to be basic things you need to go through to understand how this works. So the first thing is the triggers. How does this get triggered? And that's right here. So if we come over here and we click add trigger, you can see we have all kinds of different triggers we can add. So you can do a chat message when someone sends you a message, a form submitted when someone submits a form, a lead tag if you add a tag. Okay, schedule, you can just say, hey, I want this to run at 9 a.m. every day. Appointment booked, someone books an appointment, it goes through, or appointment status. Someone got on the call, someone missed the call, someone no-showed, et cetera, et cetera. You just click any of these and add them. So it's form submitted. We come in here and we pick the exact form we want. Just like the other ones, you're gonna click and then pick how you want it done. So those are the triggers. So that is the first step, okay, in the entire workflow. Then you have skills, okay? What this is this is basically the skills inside of HighLevel that it knows. As you see here, it has tons of different things. You want to have all these toggled on because this is essentially what it understands inside of HighLevel. So it understands pretty much everything as you see here. I mean, you can go through and just look at this. I mean, look at this. It understands everything with social media. Like everything. I mean, you're saying, I mean, this is crazy. Like it literally, I mean, get upload status, get Twitter profile. Like it understands everything. So you're just going to want to have all of these toggled on by clicking this. There's 423 skills. It just makes it more powerful. So that is what the skills are. And the default is everything. Capabilities. Okay. You have what's called web search. You toggle this on or off if you want it. I like this because this gives it the ability to search the web. This makes it way smarter and way more powerful. Very important. I like to have this toggled on. It just makes it better. This right here is huge. This is image generation. This does cost more if you're using AI. Now, right now, during the summer of AI, if you're watching this video, there is actually free AI inside of HighLevel. So I recommend you take advantage of this for all of summer because, like, who doesn't want to do it? It's June right now, but you get free AI. So if that is you, have this toggled on. This is important because you're doing stuff like reputation management where you need to create images, or you're trying to do like smart campaigns where it sends an image saying, hey, John, and it's like a picture of you or whatever. That can do this. So it's very, very powerful. So again, right now, because AI is free, you might want to use that. Speaking of free AI, if you are interested in that, it's running for summer. Okay, and you can access that right down below with my 30-day free trial link. You'll see it. You just go down below, you click it. And with that 30-day free trial link, you're also going to get access to my amazing free community full of winners, all of my trainings, all of my snapshots, all of my systems. I mean, I have literally everything, even Dom's bonuses. But most importantly, we have up to 7 live coaching calls you can attend completely free every single week. You got calls with me, okay, calls on how to get clients, calls on help with sales, calls on how to get clients advances like running ads and stuff, learning Go High Level, help with Go High Level, then building advanced high level systems. And guys, all of these, as you see right here, and all of them are free. They're all free. No upsells. You just get it for free. You can also message me up here whenever you want. And this whole community is free when you sign up with my 30-day free trial right down below. Guys, there's no one else that's doing this. I'm the only one that's giving away this much stuff. But we're also going in depth on these AI super agents. This is what's really important about this. On these calls, we're actually starting to address this because this is the future of HighLevel. That's another thing about my group that's so powerful is we're constantly updating everything. So if you come into trainings, none of this is outdated. We're going, okay, we actually need to switch the way we understand this because things need to change. Okay, so we're coming in, we're switching stuff, just like the calls. We're gearing everyone towards understanding AI super agents, well, because it's the future. So again, if you want access to that and all of that, it's right down below. Last but not least, we have knowledge base. If you want to add in any of the knowledge bases, you can. So this AI agent is now trained. Again, if it's based on something specific, you just plug it in and you're good to go. So as you see here, this is all of this stuff. You're pretty much good. But now what we want to do is we want to edit this. So I want to say, okay, I love this, but please make this a 5-day follow-up. So a little tweak, and we're going to click enter. Again, to edit, we just type in this box, and it's going to run the edits over here to get this thing working. All right, so it made the updates. It is now on a 5-day follow-up. But as you see, it had some errors, okay, where it just took too long to load, so I had to kind of stop it, say, okay, please finish, and then go through. So this is what I'm talking about. It does work, but sometimes it's just like glitches out, and that's because it's a new feature. But when I was trying this earlier, it worked perfectly, and as you'll see in the different videos, sometimes it goes smoothly, sometimes it doesn't, but the overall trend is it keeps going up like HighLevel's new features. So as you see here, it's working, it's looking great, and it completely changed it to a 5-day window. So again, when you build out these AI agents, your whole goal is to come into this left side and then update it. So you tell exactly what you want to do. Hey, I want it to change the way it works. Hey, I want it to do X, Y, Z, and then it will do it. So again, when you build it, it'll pop up on the right side. And then when you want to edit it, it's right here and you edit it just like that. Okay, now what you want to do after every time you build, you want to come in and you want to test the agent. So you want to pick a contact and you want to run it through. So you pick whatever these are. I have a bunch of them in there and you test it very simply to make sure it's working. Okay. And this could be for reputation management. This could be for database reactivation, you name it. There's so many different kinds of AI super agents you can make. You want to just run it on a contact to make it work. Sometimes they're not exactly, how do I say it? Like a reach out agent. It might be more of like a CRM agent. So test always, and then you can refresh your test right there. From there, once you see it's working the way you like it and you're done editing, you're gonna want to come right into the upper hand corner and you're gonna want to click publish. Very important. This is the last step. We want to publish it because then we're going to test again live to make sure that it is all going through and is working. All right, boom. It is now published. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back. Okay, you can test it again right here or click edit agent, but we're going to go back again. And there it is, lead follow-up published. This is the exact thing we created, and it's just like this. So when you see it in here, a couple more quick notes. You can click this to select it if you have a bunch. Okay, these 3 dots are going to come through. You can edit it, move to a folder, or delete it if you want to get rid of it. But right here, you can chat with it, and this is like a live test. So we click this, and this is how you can like go through and make sure it's working. As you see here, it'll show you all the activity and the memory, which is coming soon. And that way you can come through here and you can message to make sure it's going through and working. As you see, we updated it to 5 days. It's looking good, but you can go through and play with it. So you could come right here and say, okay, show me how you work. And then you click enter. Okay, boom, it says, excellent, I have a clear picture now. Let me analyze, blah, blah, blah. And it's going to go through and it's going to show you all of the different things that it has done. And then that's how I work, blah, 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 blah. And it just explained how, it does everything. And it's actually pretty cool because it broke it down exactly in steps. So okay, like this thing's actually working. Because with a lot of AI, if it's just like, I do blah, 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 but it's not showing how it actually operationally does it, it kind of doesn't work. It's just theory. But this is telling you exactly what does it. Then you could say, okay, run test or whatever you want to do and go through it. The reason I'm not going through like a gazillion tests is I have so many more videos coming out in this where I'm actually going through and testing. This video is just a tutorial walking you through how this works. I mean, this is a test, but it's just the long tests. But then again, if you want to edit the agent, you come back in and it's this same dashboard, just like that, just like we went through, and you're good to go. But all of this is going to be right in here under AI agents, under Agent Studio, under super agents, not flow agents, but super agents. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. That's how this works. Okay, if you're interested in learning more about these and getting access to my entire community where we go on the calls, we help you out, we give you the training so we can actually give you hand-holding with these super agents. So you're like, okay, I understand how all this works. Okay, the 30-day free trial is right down below. You'll get access to all of this. I think you're really going to like it. But it's also going to be very easy for you to go through and master this kind of stuff. So if that's you, go down below, get that 30-day free trial, get access. We'll help you. We'll get you started. Again, you get access to all that for free when you use my link down below or upgrade with my link. But there's another link if you already have high level and you still want to get in. But most importantly, if you have questions or anything you're wondering, I don't care if you love the video, hate the video, whatever it is, drop it in the comments down below and I will answer it personally. If you look at my videos, I answer all my comments. And I want to make sure that these videos are an interactive learning experience. That's another reason why I'm the wizard, because I actually want to help you learn. Last but not least, I'm going to be linking a video that's going to be going over the vibe coder inside of high level. That's going to be this right here. This is really important to know as you start to learn AI in high level, because the vibe coder is like a builder agent. It can build apps and websites. It's very advanced, but it goes hand in hand with all this AI. I don't just recommend these videos at the end of each of these videos for no reason. I recommend them so you can learn and chain all of the learning together and then use it to potentially make money. That's why I do this. I'm giving you the best flow so you actually know how to use it. So again, guys, thank you for watching and watch the video that pops up right now.